Beach vacation. Will it DTF? I'm back with Will It DTF series where we try to put direct-to-film transfers on random stuff. I've learned a lot from trying and failing, but with DTF more often than not, succeeding. I have a whole plethora of stuff for my beach vacation I'm about to head on. I've got some scuba snorkel fins, I got a nice sun hat, flip-flops, beach towel. These are those Turkish towels, like the sand cloud. This isn't a sand cloud, this is just a generic one. And then, what I've been wanting to do my entire direct-to-film career, I'm going to try to put DTF on a wetsuit and we're gonna test it in the ocean. So let's jump into it. Snorkel fins. Will it DTF? Let's find out. All right, these are a pair of snorkel fins I've obviously used a lot for snorkeling and scuba diving. We're gonna try to press a transfer here on the fin to decorate it, make it a little personalized, customized, and let's see if it works. I've got these awesome Dude Crush graphics here, so let's try to press it on the fin. I did adjust it to make it fit in this little spot. I used an envelope distort tool on Illustrator. We're gonna try with our mini Cricut heat press, and let's see if it sticks. Now, being somewhat careful because these fins are plastic, as they could deform and warp and cause problems with too much heat applied to it, but it looks like it's sticking down pretty good. All right, let's get it all the way over. As in other tests I've done, I'm seeing a little bit of like a darker outline kind of showing up around it, which gives me an indication that it's working properly. It looks like it's sticking, and we want to get over everything for a few seconds. Ultimately, it'd be great if we had like 10 seconds per area. I'm using the second setting up on the mini Cricut heat press. And this is the Quick Glide hot peel film from DTF Station. So it should start to release without being cooled off. But I just want to make sure all the areas are good to go. See the corners starting to lift a little bit. Yep. All right, I think that's enough for us to do the peel. So let's peel, see what happens. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, it's initially sticking. I saw the end of the E peel up a little bit. So we're gonna grab some parchment paper and try to do the second press here. Now I have a sneaking suspicion, like many DTF experiments on hard stuff, is that it may press okay, but I kind of think it's probably not gonna last. But you don't know if you don't try, so that's why we're here. Good heat, good pressure. I don't know exactly what the temp settings are on this mini Cricut heat press, but in my experience, 3 has been too hot and causes more problems. So I like the number 2 setting for most DTF projects. Okay, we smeared that really bad. I pushed a little too hard. I got aggressive. That's not the first time I've gotten aggressive. So I kind of messed up a little bit in there. Luckily, I have one more fin to test with, so let's try to put the crush on that one, and I'll try not to be as aggressive when pressing it down. Uh-oh. I touched something and made my mini Cricut dirty. I wonder if I touched the rubber part of that Just rubbing it on the parchment paper to clean it up. I think I did. I think I touched the rubber part. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Got some dude crush action. Now, like I said earlier, I oftentimes, especially on hard goods, can get DTF to stick to it. But how does it hold up? So let's take these for a swim in the ocean. Let's go. All right, so as you saw from that footage, a couple of the letters came off in the water, and I grabbed them luckily, and I'm not about to pollute the rest of the ocean with my transfers. So I'm gonna peel these off, and we'll consider this a fail. So, Snorkel fans, will it DTF? No, they won't. All right, and now all of the dude crushes are safe from Jeremy's DTF transfers.